All right, this is going to be a quick little video on how to find a fuse that is powered with the ignition on only, so you can power a dash camera or similar accessory device in the back of the Escape. Now, this power port here is actually live all the time. So if you were to plug something in there like a dash cam, it will drain your battery and you'll have problems with your auto start stop or other things like that. So what you need here to find a fuse is a test light, and that's what it looks like. You can buy this at any auto parts store. It's probably like less than $10, and this is how I use it. So there's a light bulb in here that's going to light up when you touch this to something that has power, and then this is an alligator clip that's going to get clipped onto a ground. So the easiest ground would be this one right here. Okay, I have that attached now. I just clipped it to the ring. Don't stick it all the way in there, because if you touch the center button there, then you'll short it out. Now, how this works is you want to take the other end and you want to touch the little nub on whatever fuse that you're testing. All right, now there's two nubs on each fuse. This would also be how you test if you have a blown fuse, because they should test the same on both sides if it's a good fuse. All right, so right now the car is off, so all these ones on the bottom are live with the car off, so those are not what you want. Likewise, this second row up from the bottom is also live, and so is that tab there. And this top row, if you test those are dead right now with the car off. So you just take note of what state they were in now, and now we're going to turn the car on and see how it's different. All right, we're back now, and we have the key on, and let's test that top row and see if it changed. And it did. It now has power. So that means this top row of fuses is powered with the key on only. All right, now this fuse all the way over here, that one doesn't have power, so that's just a spare fuse. Now the other thing is, if you look in there carefully, you can see that there's metal in the bottom of the fuse contacts in this row, and if you stab your test light in there, you actually see that it will light up for any of those sockets, empty fuse sockets. So this is actually a powered bus. So you could put and add a fuse in any of these slots. It doesn't have to just be one of these three that already have a fuse. The other alternative is that you could take a fuse, and you see how there's the two little nubs there? Those are the electrically conductive nubs. And what you can do is solder a wire onto the top post, have that wire go to what you want to power, and then insert it in here. And that would allow power to flow from the bus through the fuse and out the top, so it would still be fused, and then you don't have to mess with and add a fuse, because you got all these empty slots there. All right, so that's going to be how you can add a circuit to power your rear dash camera in a late model Escape. Hope that helps.